Hi, today I'm for the LENOVO Yoga Tab 11 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So let's first open the settings, the Play Store application. And now in the search bar we should enter the Ampere and we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. So after that, tap to open the app. Click to yes, I agree, okay, close. And here we'll see information about battery temperature. That is 27 degrees in my case. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.